He is so bad boy. He is such a bad boy. He is such bad boy. Which one of these is right? The answer is, he is such a bad boy. This is a problem one of my students had, knowing the difference between so, such a, and such. So let's look at them today. So with such and such a, we will always follow it with an adjective and a noun. With so, we can follow it with an adjective or an adverb. And in this example, such a, such, and so mean very. Okay, they mean something is very. Okay, so let's look at some example sentences. Okay, so here's some example sentences. So and an adjective. You are so clever. Thank you. Thank you very much. It was so hot today. Okay, so and an adjective, really easy. Okay, so and an adverb. We've got an example here. He spoke so quickly, I couldn't understand him. Okay. He spoke so quickly, I couldn't understand him. We've got so and then the adverb quickly at the end. Such, an adjective, and then a noun. He is such a handsome boy. Again, thank you, but no need for all these compliments. So that is such a nice pen. Okay. So we've got such, adjective, noun, such, adjective, noun, such, adjective, noun. Okay. So I hope those example sentences kind of make it a bit clearer when to use so or such. Okay, now for a quick test to see if you have learned anything today. Oh no, my clipboard covers the numbers. Goodbye, clipboard. See you later. Okay, test time. Number 1. It's cold today. I don't want to go outside. Number 2, he was fool yesterday. It was embarrassing. Number 3, you didn't tell me you were rich. Number 4, your parents are nice people. Number 5, today is nice day. So have a look at these 5 questions and see which word goes in here. Is it so? Is it such? Is it such a? There's 5 questions here and I'll leave the answers in the description. Have a go on this little test. Leave a comment. Let me know how you got on. If you thought it was easy or difficult. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you really liked it, please subscribe and I'll see you next time.